Assalamualaikum Hello Everyone Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to fix live text not working on iPhone in iOS 16. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the very first thing what you need to do is just click on settings app on your iOS device. Now scroll down to find general and tap on it. Again scroll down and tap on language and region. Here turn off live text, wait for a while, then turn it back on. Method 2, disable show didactic text and then enable it. For that, open the settings app on your device, scroll down to find the camera and tap on it. Here, turn off show didactic text, then wait for a while and turn it back on. That's it. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.